Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a abstract complex cube just like this. So let's get started. Take a new scene, file, new scene. Take a polygon cube, sorry. Increase the cube width, height and depth to 6. Press F to focus or zoom in. Increase subdivision width, height and depth to 2. Now choose multicut tool. Sorry. And create edge loop as shown. Press enter. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face, this one and this one. Press delete. Go to edge selection mode. Double click on this edge. Go to mesh. Click fill hole. Do the same for all the side. Go to object mode. Edit, delete by type, delete history. Now go to top view. Select this face. Go to side view. This face, sorry, front view and then side view. Select this face. Now see. Click extrude. Offset type here 0.4. Again click extrude. Local translate G type -4, -0.4. Or -0.5. Now again select this face, this one, this, all the triangular face. See, all the triangular face are selected. Again click extrude. Offset type 0.4. Again click extrude. Local translate type -0.5. Go to top view. Shift select this face. Front view. Shift select this face. Side view. Shift select this face. Go to perspective view. Now see, the face are selected in which way. You should select it all the face like this. Go to edit mesh, click extract, object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Select this one, press H to hide. Now select all. Go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex and this one. Edit mesh, click merge vertices. This one and also this one. Merge. this one, merge. Do the same for all the vertices which are not communicated or conjugate. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now unhide this one. Select the inner object, scale tool, modify center pivot and scale it just like this. Now select this one, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to this color. Now select this one, right click, assign new material, select font, change the font color to red. Now select all, move them up, press F to focus or zoom in. Now select this one, select all, modify freeze transformation, select this one, outer ring, select rotate X, Y and Z, go to frame 1, increase the frame to 200. On frame 1, key selected, go to frame 200 and type here 360 degree. Right click, key selected. Now select the inner object, go to frame 1, right click, key selected, go to frame 200, type here minus 360 degree. All the three, right click, key selected. Now go to frame 1, click play and see. See? This is the complex abstract cube animation which I tell about. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.